Hello, welcome to Monday Message. My name is Nikki, and I am your spiritual mentor. Today we're going to talk about how to make dating less exhausting. So if you've been following my work for a while, you may know this about me, but I really love to talk about the inner victim. And I do because that's just something that I've struggled with for a long time, so I know a lot about it. And the inner victim is really this place that we go to when we start feeling bad for ourselves, when we throw ourselves a pity party, when we feel like things are happening to us, right? And it's kind of that place where we like to blame other people and blame things. And I feel like, it's really hard because sometimes it almost feels like genetic, especially for women, because it's been passed on to us. It's really something that we learn. It's this behavior that we end up learning and we pick up ourselves. So sometimes it can be really hard to get rid of. And there's certain things in our life, certain moments that actually trigger the victim. And one place I really see it being triggered is in dating. So dating is this thing that, we kind of have to do in order to get to what we want. But when we're dating, sometimes it could feel like we have no control and that we're just sitting here waiting for somebody to come to us. I have very clear memories of waiting at a bar and thinking that I'm sitting in this chair just so some guy can come up to me and talk to me and choose me. Like I was waiting to be chosen. And that can trigger the victim in us. That can be like, my God, this is awful. Like, why is this how it works? And I can't believe I have to do this. And we get really tired and dating becomes this really long thing that we don't want to do. But really, if we can get a handle of that victim and say, wait, I am not a victim. I am actually choosing. I am not only, yes, somebody needs to choose me too, but I am also choosing. This is like a decision that, actually, this is the first decision we're going to make together. You're choosing and I'm choosing. And if we can really see dating that way, it gives us this little bit of energy, this little boost in our energy, and it really gives us the stamina that we need to go through it, because you need the stamina, you need to keep going, and you need to know that you are choosing, whether you know it or not. You have a list of things that you want in a partner, and you're not just going to say yes to the first person, even if it looks like they're picking you. You're saying right away, like, no to you, yes to you, and you're doing that. So get a handle of the victim. Let the victim know, like, you cannot come and play here because I am in control. I am also choosing here. I am waiting in faith for the right person. And that's the reason I'm not with somebody. I am choosing to be single right now. I am choosing to be dating right now. It didn't just happen to me. And that little perspective will give you the energy that you need to keep going and find your soulmate. So go ahead and take that on for a try. Now it's your turn. Head over to NikkiNovo.com and leave me a comment and let me know how dating is going for you. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe so that you can get these videos in your inbox every week, and also so you can download this new guided meditation that I made just for those of us who are dating. And if you need some extra help on attracting your soulmate, search for the video, How to Find a Soulmate. So until next time, much love to you.